Today, I'll be doing a quick review and try on of the brand new Supreme Spring Summer 21 Neck Pouch. So I'm going to go over all the features of this bag, and then at the end of the video, I will be trying it on just so you can see how it looks on a person, just in case you want to buy this bag for yourself. So make sure you stay tuned for the entire video, and let's get right into it. Now, moving on to the close-up review of the bag, starting off with the materials, and it is made of the same ripstop nylon material that the other bags from the Spring Summer 21 lineup are made out of, and I'm a really big fan of this material. It's a lot better quality than some of the past Supreme bags. The material feels really durable and it doesn't feel like it'll rip or tear anytime soon. So if you want a bag for the long haul, definitely buy one from this season just because the materials are really nice and they'll hold up really well over time. And also on the outside of the bag, it does say Supreme all around, so it's the full word. So on the front of the bag, it says half is Supreme, and then it just wraps around the entire bag in that same fabric. And if you didn't know by now, the material on this bag is clear, so all the lettering is a clear cutout, which you can kind of see right here, my fingers poking through, and then I'll show you later when I open up the bag. And then moving on to the sides, it does have the red Supreme tab that most Supreme bags have. And then it has two zippers on the outside, and then it has two triangle hooks where you attach the strap. And then the only other feature on the bag is the zipper across the top, and it does have some plastic coating over the actual zipper. And how I would describe this is it's like the Nike Tech Fleece zippers, so on the front of the jackets or on the sweatpants, has that same look to it, and I'm pretty sure it makes the zippers more durable, so that's another good thing about this bag. Just an overall really durable bag compared to some of the past ones, so I'm a really big fan of it. And now I'll open it up just so you can see what it looks like on the inside. So there is only one big pouch on the inside. It is clear on the front part, so as you can see where the Supreme wording is, that part is clear. And then on the back is just plain black, and there's no other internal pockets or anything, so that's pretty disappointing. I think it would have been cool if they put an internal pouch here, or even like a flap just to organize stuff better. And to give you a size perspective of the bag, here's my phone, Galaxy S21 Plus, I think that's what it's called, and it fits right in, it fits really well. So this phone is roughly the same size as like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you have a bigger phone, it will fit in here, and as long as your wallet and keys is smaller than this, it'll all fit in here. So I think that's the main purpose of this bag. Just so you don't have your phone, wallet, and keys in your pockets, you can put it in a bag so you know it's more secure. So now that the bag's out of the way, I will show you the strap just to give you a close-up of that. So here's the strap the bag comes with, fully adjustable strap. And it does have the same triangle connectors, and this part is metal, which is a little bit different from what they normally do. Usually the connector's all plastic. This time they have a little metal piece right here. I think it looks better than some of the past connectors they did, but that's just a little feature, and it doesn't really affect much, but I just think this one looks a little better, and it's the little details that matter. So that's it for the close-up portion of the review. Now onto the try-on portion, so let's get right into it. So overall, that wraps up today's close-up review and try-on of the brand new Supreme Neck Pouch. Overall, I'm a big fan of this bag. I like how it looks. It has a nice clean design with Supreme branding on the front. The only downside of this bag is its size, and it doesn't really have any internal pockets to help you better organize, but that could be a good thing or a bad thing depending on what you want in a bag. But I think the main selling point for this bag is the really durable material. So if you want something that'll last quite a while, definitely look into this one over some of the other seasons. I just really like how this material is, and I can see it holding up very well over time, just because how it feels, and it's that ripstop nylon, so you can never go wrong with that. And that is it for today's review. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.